Okay, so this time, welcome to Johnny the Gamer, and today I'm going to be showing you a clip called Bendy versus Cuphead, but disclaimer, I do not own this. A different channel. Ah! What the? What is that? Oh, hello! What is this? Wait a second. You are in the oh, crap! Oh, crap! Where are you? Uh-oh. Yeet. Yeet. There. Hey, that's a hole. Yeet. Wait, how? Oh, it's mackerel. Time to die. Yeet. Oh, dude. Oh, macaroni. Stuck in there. Oh, you missed. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah. Yep, I got it. What's up, guys? Johnny the Gamer here, and what you're about to see is the Cuphead versus Bendy battle with sound effects. But disclaimer, I do not own this. Look in the description. But I don't want to get sued. Subscribe to that channel who makes that clip. So see you. Enjoy the clip with sound effects.